In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wix SEO and website indexing. To get started, open your Wix website and go into the editor by selecting Edit Site. Once you're inside the editor, look to the top left area of the screen and click on the Pages option. This will open the Pages sidebar where you can view the different pages that make up your website. This section is important because it gives you direct access to the structure of your site, and it's where you'll manage the SEO settings for each individual page. After the Pages sidebar opens, click on Manage Pages. This will take you into a more detailed view of your site's pages and their settings. On the right side, you'll see the Settings panel for the page you have selected. This is where Wix gives you more control over how that page appears, both to visitors and to search engines. From there, click on SEO. This section is where you can review and manage the main optimization details for that page. Wix usually organizes these settings clearly, so it's easy to see what has already been completed and what may still need attention. For example, you may see whether your keywords have been added, whether your title tag is in place, whether the meta description has been filled out, and whether the page URL has been verified or adjusted. These elements are important because they help search engines understand what your page is about. Your title tag tells search engines and users the main topic of the page. The meta description gives a short summary that may appear in search results. Your page URL should be clean and relevant, and keywords help reinforce the subject of your content. When these settings are complete, your page is in a much better position to be indexed properly and understood by search engines. As you review this section, take a moment to make sure everything looks accurate and matches the content of that page. It's a good habit to check these settings page by page, especially if your site has multiple service pages, blog posts, or landing pages. Even small improvements in SEO settings can make a difference over time. And that's it. That's how you access the SEO settings for your Wix pages and check the key elements related to website indexing. Once you know where these settings live, it becomes much easier to keep your site organized and search-friendly.